Enema is the term many people did not hear this. This is the first time they are hearing it. So this is nothing but very, very simple process. Whoever was gone through the hospital process, let's say for them or for the relatives, any operation procedure was done. Before that, they used to suggest like last 12 hours, they should not take any food. And before the operation, they should take the enema. What is mean by enema? Enema is nothing but cleaning our rectum. Why they are doing it before operation? Let's say during operation, they are cutting our stomach and they are doing some procedures. That time, if our rectum releases the motion, that makes the situation uncomfortable for everyone. So that was the reason they used to clean the intestine with the enema kit. What they do, they insert the knob with the help of enema kit and they send some water. After sending some water, just they remove it and motion will come out. So this way they will doing this enema procedure. And why it is important for in the detoxification practice. Let's say we are using our dustbin to keep accumulate the dust on daily basis and next day morning we'll be throwing it out. So what will happen? Let's say for 1 month or 2 months, I am not cleaning the dustbin. After like because of the wet toxins accumulated in that dustbin, we can see bad smells start coming, or some small insects might have formed. So if we keep continuing it without cleaning it, after 6 months or 1 year, it will the smell will spread inside our home. Even if we keep it outside the home, the smell will spread. It will get into our home, and because of that, the germs and which will enter through our home also. The same goes for our rectum also. Daily we are eating 3 4 times. When after eating 2 3 hours of the digestion process, it will keep accumulate the motion in the rectum area, and the next day we pass the tools. So it will be releasing the motion. So for current time being, its rectum is clean, but it is not perfectly clean. So what we have to do? We have to detoxify. We have to do the enema for every weekly once, so that we are ensuring that the rectum is clean. And earlier I mentioned for any traditional treatments like Siddha, Ayurvedic, naturopathy, for most of the issues they suggest Vedic, and who was having any skin diseases along with the Vedic, enema is also suggested as mandatory practice. Why it is mandatory? If any toxins accumulated in our rectum, after some period of time, it will get exposed. It will try to get eliminated through our skin. So we can see the symptoms in various like white color patches, black color patches. So these kind of different symptoms based on the different toxins accumulated in the rectum. So that was the reason to avoid the skin diseases, to prevent the skin diseases, to recover from the skin diseases quickly, we have to follow this enema. After taking the enema, some people will feel tired. So nothing to worry. So what we have to do? We have to take little hot drinks and we have to do some warm up walking exercise so that we will gain the energy very quickly. So next we will see how to do this enema. This is the enema kit. We can see sample. It will come with one cup and one long tube. At the end, we'll be having one knob. So what we have to do, we have to lubricate this knob and our asshole in the backside. Because without lubrication, if we insert it, it will cause some injury. So we have to apply coconut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil. Any oil is okay. So we can apply some oil for the lubrication. After applying the oil, we have to fill the water. We can fill it with the plain water. that is like a tap water, or we can add little sea salt, very little bit, and we can make it warm and we can add it. In case if you are taking the enema in the morning, plain water is enough. In case if you are taking enema at the night time during winter period, already the climate is very cold. If you are feeling cold, taking this plain water enema, it will reduce the temperature of our body. So that was the reason. That time during winter period or in the night time, we can take little warm water. Don't take hot water, little warm is enough. So we have to fill the tank, this cup. After that, after filling that, then only we have to insert the knob in our asshole like this. If we first insert the knob, after that if we fill the water, it will not flow into our our rectum. So first we have to fill the water and then we have to insert. So we have to wait for some time till the water is emptied from the enema can, and after it is empty, we can remove the knob. You have to hold it for at least 4 5 minutes. If you are not able to hold, it's okay. First time it may be difficult, even 1 or 2 minutes are okay. Then we can release the motion. First time, if you are doing this enema, you can see lot of black dust particles coming in this motion. And for the best result, if you want to get more best results from the enema, after we pass the regular motion, then regular motion will not be there. Only the toxins accumulated will be there in the rectum area. So that time, if we take the enema, more toxins will be eliminated uh, from the rectum area. And many people ask me like where to buy, which one to buy, all these things. There are plenty of options available. You can internet, it's available. And the one which I use and which is very, very cheap in compared to other products available in the market. This is the website, AAMMII.com. And if you Google it, you will get it very easily. Enema kit, it will cost 180 rupees, and it will come along with this nose cleaning kit, this one, and eye wash cup. So this is kind of very beneficial, all these things. So we can use it like 3 detoxification techniques can be used with this single kit. So that is one advantage of this kit. This is what I recommend. If you want to buy yourself alone also, you can explore. You can find there are plenty of options available.